Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install VirtualBox version 5.1 on Linux Mint 18.3. VirtualBox is a free and cross-platform virtualization application. It supports for both 32 and 64 architecture guest operating system. And the VirtualBox is to you can create and run the guest operating system inside the window of the host computer. Okay, now let us see how to install VirtualBox version 5.1 on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting our installation, we have to add the Oracle public key using the following this command. Then we have to update our system repository using the apt command. Now update is going on. The update is complete now. Then we have to install the VirtualBox application using the apt command. Click yes and continue the installation. Now installation is going on. Then we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type VirtualBox. The application is on the screen. Then we have to click this application. Now you can able to using this application. That's all about for installation of VirtualBox version 5.1. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support at linuxscape.com.